My name is Larry Henderson, and I'm a senior QA manager. The ability to bring in .NET services, have it stand up all the virtual endpoints pretty quick, and put it into a learning mode to where I can turn it on, let the functional testers test against the real services all day, take that snapshot, turn it over to my performance test team, minor tweaks, and now I'm running a full performance test with faked out third parties with minimal development effort on my side. It's awesome. Another feature that it's still in beta, but it's coming up, that's I'm already starting to leverage, is the scripted rule that they put out there. It's JavaScript and C#. We're a heavy C# shop, so I have my choice of developers. I go around and say, hey, help me develop something that's a little smarter, a smarter virtualized service. Yeah, so the stability of the product, it's still a work in progress. There's some times that, just honestly, I do have to go onto the system, and just the other day we had one service that had been running for months with no problem. The good thing is it took me 30 seconds to do it. The bad thing is I had all my data that I had saved gone. I could get it back. It's not a big deal. Stability-wise, it's not bulletproof, but I haven't had a major outage until the other day of that one service. I've had no problems with scalability. I've run, we're doing a service gateway stress test right now in our production-like environment to understand if this gateway that we purchase is going to be scalable for our big retail time period. The implementation, I didn't really have any hiccups with the installation. It's pretty straightforward. There are a few things if you want to use some of the new features that are in that beta mode that you have to go in and you have to be very familiar with how to modify specific config files. I think that's something that could be improved upon. You should be able to share databases, but outside of that, everything else went pretty smooth. Improvements, more like enhancements with the REST API would be one. I think another thing I would rather see them implement is better use for their data-driven model. Right now they're using Excel spreadsheets. I would like to see them implement a database instead of Excel spreadsheets, because sometimes you open an Excel spreadsheet that the data-driven model built and it's like 200 sheets big. It's unmanageable.